Okay guys, welcome back to class. So today we're going to be learning about addition. So I know we've been learning a little bit about addition already. So we know what some of the signs in math mean. Like this sign, that looks kind of like a cross. That is the plus sign, and we can call it the plus sign or the addition sign. And this sign, which is two lines like that, means equals, right? So we're going to need to know those two things specifically for the problems that we're going to be doing in this class today. So we're going to be learning all about adding numbers together and how to do that, counting numbers to figure out how much they'll be when they're added, when they're put together, okay? So I want to start off with a video, just a short little video to kind of, it's just a fun little video to remind us and to teach us a little bit about this, okay?
Welcome to Kids Academy. Hey everybody, I'm Ramiro. I need to prepare a birthday present for my friend, Sea Turtle. A seashell necklace will make a perfect present. Will you help me find and count seashells for the necklace? Great. Say, how many seashells can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not enough to make a necklace. See any more seashells? Right. There are 6 in the sand. How many shells have we got now? Let's see. We started with 5 and added 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 6 more makes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seashells in all. Let's go have a peek under that stone. Great. There are 4 seashells here. Let's add them all together. 11 plus 4 more makes how many seashells? 12, 13, 14, 15. So we found 15 seashells so far. Good work. There are 5 more seashells near those seaweed strips. Now that we found 5 more, how many seashells have we got in all? 15 plus 5 more makes 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seashells in all. That's enough to make a beautiful necklace. Thanks for helping me find and count the seashells. Bye-bye.
Wow, that's a lot of seashells, huh? So, we learned about how they counted 20 seashells, right? They added up that many seashells. So, we're going to be learning a little bit how to do that, okay? With different things, with different examples. So, let's see. I have 2 oranges here, okay? And if I take another orange, how many do I have now? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. Yep, oops. So now I have 3 oranges. So let's write that out on the board, okay? Now there are 2 ways to write out problems like this. But I'm going to teach you both of them, but only one of them is what we're really going to use today, okay? So this is one way. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Yep. And then, here, I don't know if you can see it very well. But, yeah. So then, there's the second way to do it, which is the way we're going to be doing in our problems today, is 2 plus 1. And you can do it this way too. So then 2 plus 1 equals 3. Good job. Okay, let's try another problem. So what if I have 2 oranges, and 1 apple? and I take another apple. How many pieces of fruit do I have now? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Good job, guys. 3 plus 1 equals 4. You guys are remembering from last week. That's really great. Okay, so let's say we have 3 oranges now. We have 3 oranges, and we take 2 apples and put them in our basket. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 2 apples plus 3 oranges equals 5. 2 apples plus 3 oranges equals 5. Good job. Okay, we're going to do a little bit harder one, and this time we're going to use pens, because you all have pens, so I want you guys to take out all your pens right now, okay? And we're going to do these problems together, okay? So, let's say that Jimmy has 9 pens, okay? So, count your pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you're holding 9 pens, okay? So you have 9 pens. We're going to write that down. 9 plus, we're going to add, addition, we're going to add 2 more pens. So 1, 2. So you had 9 pens before. 9. You add 2 more. How many do you have now? Raise your hand. 9, 10, 11. Right, you have 11 pens. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. That's pretty easy, right? Yeah, you just need to count. You need to add them together to see how much you'll have all together. Let's see, what's another one? So what about, I'm going to write this one down first, and then you guys are going to have to count your pens and tell me, okay? So if you have 7 pens, and then I give you 5 more. So let's count up. We have 7 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so we had 7 pens and then we added 5. So then we have 12 pens all together. Good job, guys. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna do a game, okay? Because I know you guys love games. Who knows the game Uno? We're gonna be playing it a little bit different today because we're trying to learn how to add today. So I'm going to give you each 9 cards, okay? You're each going to have 9 cards, 1 through 9. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? And I'm going to ask you to add up to a certain number. I'll give you an example. So if I say I want you to add up to the number 10, that means you'll have to put down 2 cards or more cards that add up to the number 10. So you'll have to put down, you can put down 9 and you can put down 1. And yeah, so you're going to hold these cards up, and if you have 2 cards or 3 cards that add up to the number 10, then you got it right, okay? So we're going to try this. So I want you guys to add up to the number 15. Okay, you're probably going to need more than 2 cards for this, but just try it, okay? So add up to the number 15. Remember what we did? We added 2. So if you have a 9, then you can add a 1, and that will give you 9, 10 cards, the number 10. And then we're going to add up to 15. So what could we add? We need to add at least 5, right? So you can either add just your 5 card, and then you have 15 there, or you can add, you can add your 3 and your 2. Because remember what we did here? 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's right. Okay, another number. Let's see. I want you to add up to 20. Okay? So you guys are going to add up to 20. Make sure you hold your cards up so I can see. Okay. Good job. Yeah, some of you guys are... Okay, so instead of the... since you don't have a 10, you can't add 10 with something. Okay, good job. Now you're going to add up to 17. I need to see your cards that add up to 17. Good job. And you can use your pens too if you need help with that. You can use your pens. Okay. Great job, guys. So now we're going to move on to something else, something that you guys are going to be doing on your own. I want each of you to write down the problems that I'm going to write on the board, okay? So you're going to write down these problems and you're going to do them by yourself, okay? They might be a little bit hard, but if you need help, just ask me. Just raise your hand and I'll come help you, okay? You're going to have quite a few minutes to do this. I'm going to write down these. 11 plus 4 equals what? 8 plus 1. Yeah, I'm just going to write down some of these problems that I want you to do. And if you need help trying to add it, then you can raise your hand, like I said, and I will help you. Okay, so I want you to write out all of these problems in your notebooks and try and figure them out on your own, okay? Like I said, if you need help, just raise your hand and I will help you. Okay, good job. So I have a quick little, another problem that we're gonna do. So yeah, just hand your notebooks to me and I'm gonna look over those. But first, we're going to have a little prize, have a little surprise since you guys have been doing so great in class today. How many of us are in this class? Can you guys count for me? There are 10, right? So we're gonna add with the chocolate a little bit, okay? And at the end, each person is gonna get 1 chocolate because there are 10 of you. And there are 10 pieces of, well, there are more than 10 pieces of chocolate, but there are at least 10 pieces of chocolate. So if there are 10 of you, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 chocolates here. So if I need to give 10 of you chocolates, how many more pieces of chocolate do I need? Yup, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way each of you will get 1 chocolate each because there will be 10 chocolates for 10 kids, for 10 students, for each of you. What if I only had 2 chocolates? How many more chocolates would I need to have 10? Can we count together? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. So we need 8 more. So 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. What are a few other ways we can do this? Can you guys give me examples? You learned from your Uno cards. We learned from using the pens. The example with the fruit. What's another example? 6 chocolates, okay. So I have 6 chocolates in my hand. And I need how many? More. 4. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. And how exactly did you figure that out? Yep, you counted up to how many you needed. You added the number, right? Okay, good job. So now we're gonna do the worksheet. Okay, you guys are you're gonna have some time to work on this. You're not gonna be able to ask me for help. It's just gonna be a short quiz though. There are 12 questions. They're the problems that we've already been learning, okay? So I just want you to work on it, do your best. You guys have really been understanding. At the end of your quiz, I'm gonna give you each a piece of chocolate, okay? You've all been doing really great. I'm really proud of you guys. You're all understanding it very well. You just need to add the 2 numbers together and to get the final result of what it equals, okay? So I know you guys can do it. You can use your pens. You can use your pens to do it, like we did earlier. But yeah, okay, good job, guys.